Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your photo to JPG on Adobe Lightroom. Now let's get started. First, you can open your project, and after this, in here, if you wanna save this photo to JPG, so you just click on this icon at the top, click on it, and after this, in here you can click on export as, click on it, and in here for the file type you just click on a JPG. And after this, in here you just click on the check icon at the top and finish. After the export is complete like this, you can open your gallery and the picture has been saved to your gallery. So that's how to save your photo to a JPG on Adobe Lightroom. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.